Now this is a cube whose side is A, and and end goes from A to B, B to C, and C to D. So A and D are the diagonal points. They are the diagonals. So what will be the distance covered? Distance covered by this will be AB plus BC plus CD. That is A plus C. 3A will be the distance covered. Now what will be the displacement? Displacement will be the diagonal AD, and the value of diagonal is under root 3 times A. It is under root 3 times A. So the ratio of this will be capital D. This is small d, distance. So the displacement will be final position minus initial position, and this will be under root 3 times A. So the ratio of small d to displacement will be equal to 3A divided by under root 3A will be equal to under root 3. So distance travel is more than the displacement. Now we take the next example. The body executes a circular motion whose radius is r, and it goes from A to B. A to B, the angle subtended between A and B points is theta. OB is the radius, and OA is also radius of the circle, which is capital R. So what will be the distance traveled? Distance traveled will be from A to B. That will be equal to distance traveled will be the arc of the circle, and arc of circle is A to B, and arc will be equal to angle into radius. So distance traveled AB will be equal to, which is the arc, and it is equal to theta into R. Now what will be the displacement? Displacement will be final position is this. So you draw a straight line from A to B, and that will be the displacement. So displacement will be equal to AB vector. Here it is the arc, and this is a straight line AB. So if angle is theta, we can find this when we will study the vectors. Then this AB will be equal to 2r sin theta by 2. That we will explain when we will study the vector. At this present, we just remember that the AB, which is your D, will be equal to twice r sin theta by 2. Now first case we take when theta is equal to 90. So AB, this angle is 90. So this is R, this is R. तो ये कितना हो जाएगा? हाइपोटेनस अंडर रूट बेस का स्क्वायर आर स्क्वायर प्लस आर स्क्वायर. So ये कितना होगा? अंडर रूट 2 R square. So here we can also find capital D will be equal to 2R sin 45. 90 का आधा कितना हो गया? 45. So sin 45 is 1 बटा अंडर रूट 2. 2R बटा अंडर रूट 2 बराबर अंडर रूट 2R. So we can find easily. Now if the theta is equal to 180, means it goes from A to B point here. It is the initial point, it is the final point. So what will be D? D will be equal to 2R. This distance AB will be equal to 2R. Now we can find from this relation D is equal to 2R sin theta by 2. Angle is 180, so 90. Sin 90 is 1 is equal to 2R. So we can verify it. Now third, if the angle is 120, then what will be the AB? D will be equal to 2R sin 120 का 60. 2R sin 60 is under root 3 by 2. This 2 cancels. So it will be equal to under root 3 into R. In this way, we can find the displacement very easily using this formula when the body is in the circular motion and its prescribed theta angle. यदि जो है कोई वस्तु जो है वह सर्कुलर पाथ कर रही है और उसकी इनिशियल पर प्रारंभिक स्थिति और फाइनल स्थिति में एंगल थीटा बनता है, तो उसका जो डिस्प्लेसमेंट होगा वह बराबर होगा 2r sin theta by 2. Here 90 angle, so 45. Here 180 angle, 90. Here 120 is 60. So in this way, we can easily find the value of displacement for this case. So this is a very typical case, and you will not find in the books which are with you.